Let's explore how to top up your data on Tesco Mobile. There are several convenient methods available. You can use the Tesco Mobile app for instant top-ups. Visit the Tesco Mobile website, tescomobile.com, or top up in-store at Tesco locations or partner retailers like Argos. Digital top-ups are immediate, while physical vouchers need activation. Also, learn about add-ons. These are extra data packs that you can purchase on demand, stacking with your existing allowance. For example, you might grab a 5 GB add-on or even unlimited data for 24 hours. Tesco Mobile's app features AI-driven top-up recommendations based on your data usage, reducing the need to constantly monitor your balance. For Club Card members, remember, you can redeem Club Card points for data and even get a 10% bonus. Now let's talk about costs and managing your data. PayIG plans start around £10 for 500 megabytes, with add-ons ranging from £3.50 for 1 GB to £20 for 10 GB. Unlimited data add-ons cost £4 per day or £25 for 30 days. Remember, all prices include VAT. Don't forget about Tesco Mobile's rollover policy. Unused data rolls over monthly on rolling plans, but for PayIG, it's limited to 30 days to prevent data hoarding. Looking ahead, Tesco Mobile is adapting to trends like personalized, AI-enhanced services. Expect potential integration with the Tesco ecosystem, such as bundling data with grocery deliveries. Keep an eye out for eco-friendly incentives, like data bonuses for recycling old phones.